everyone! Today, let's draw and color Anna, Kristoff and Sven. First, let's begin by drawing Sven. Sven is Kristoff's loyal reindeer friend. Do you think Sven loves to play in the snow? Sven is always by Kristoff's side, helping him out. Do you have a pet or friend who helps you? It's time to color. Pinky, bring on the color. Terrific! Now, let's draw Kristoff. Kristoff is a brave ice harvester who helps his friends. Do you think he likes to sing while he works? Kristoff loves to ride on his sled with Sven. Would you like to go for a ride with them? Time to add some color. Pinky, throw some color. Great! Finally, let's draw Anna. Anna is always cheerful and never gives up. Can you think of a time when you didn't give up? Anna and Elsa are loving sisters who take care of each other. Do you have a sister or brother you like to play with? It's time to color. Pinky, throw some color. Nice work! We did a great job! We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.